Okay. Well, yesterday was my birthday. Just happy birthday to me, huh? This is what I got. Something in here. Notice Japan. Osaka, Japan. Wonder what came, huh? Whoa. Two of these kits. I've never built a tomato kit, so I said I gotta have it. There'll be this one's in yellow, but up on the side here it says black and white. I'm gonna get those ones too. Let's take a look at the parts, huh? Always wanted this kit. Take it easy with that box, because that box will make nice wall decor like that. Wow. Look at the wheels. I think that's more along the lines. It's like a polished aluminum. Here's the body. I will have to go in and deepen the body lines, mold gaps a little bit. Back bumpers molded into it. There's the front and the side parts. Rod ends. Looks really nice. First ever tomato kit. My God, that body. Funny thing is, I don't see any mold lines like you find on Revell or AMT round 2. Glass is almost flawless. You just got to go in and detail it out a little bit. What it looks like. My God. And it is a tomato kit. There is no engine detail. I wish there was one. That would have been freaking awesome. Open up the hood and show it off. I wonder if anybody knows of a resin kit that makes an aftermarket engine, complete engine, where I can actually do this. This is awesome, man. Parts are just clean. Even, I don't know if you're seeing it. Right there. You can tell all that's detailed in, and it's really clean. First ever tomato kit for me. Well, I built the Aoshima. Built one of the Nissan High Riders, that green one. And a Toyota pickup. Chrome headlight inserts where the brass goes over. I think we might have to detail out the side marker lights and stuff a little bit, but typical no matter what you get. Interior molded in black. Alright, yeah. It would be considered export for them, but it gives you the American version where it drives on our side. You also have the Japanese version if you want to build that. That won't get used when I build it. I built mine to the American specs. We're an American, baby. We ain't in Japan. Looks like door panels, I think. Seats are nice. A few odd bins. Gives you both drives. That's, yeah, both sides if you want to drive one side versus the other. Of course, you know where I'll be going. Grill insert, windshield wipers. Looks like gives you two different versions of the windshield wipers. Can't get a good shot with this camera. As you can see, windshield wipers, two of them. We'll take a closer examination later when I get to building it. Window mask, that'll come in handy. Your badges, I don't know. Maybe somebody can tell me, is those water slide decal form, or is those just stickers where you can just peel them off and stick them on? Or do you have to soak them in water for, I think it was 15 seconds or something like that? This is nice. Now, of course, I'm not going to open it up yet. So you can see underneath all these stripes. That's fairly easy stripes. Tail lights. Tires. I don't know exactly what tires they mold these in. There's no marking. It's a no-name tire. Background information. Okay, there's the English. Car bursting, the occasion of motoring would remain and so on. It gives you the information on that. That's nice. Tells you what you need down here. Of course, any modeler would know right off the bat, huh? Ooh, this is going to be fun. Instructions. A long sheet. Why not just put it in a booklet form? It would be easier. Oh, that's what that is. Some seat padding and stuff. Some of those other parts. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I take that back. That's not either or. That goes up underneath the chassis. Okay. Never built a tomato kit. I built an A-Ocean. Built a bluefin, which I think might be tomato or something. Man, this thing's going to be cool. Just the only thing is sad. There's no engine detail. Why put a radiator in it when it's going to be up underneath a sealed off hood? Or unless you're looking up from the bottom, maybe. Oh, I see now. Let's see here if I can show it. I have to show it sideways. My camera's way up over there. It's two different wipers, either a left or a right. I think this is the one for the American side. That's for the Japanese side. Correct me if I'm wrong, anybody. Yeah, this is going to be cool. This is going to be way cool. Can't wait to start on it. This is one of those take your time builds of this one. At least for me. Some of you guys could probably knock this out in just a matter of days. Oh, excuse me. I'm kind of curious how clean this body is. I think you might be able to just polish it out. What do you guys say? Try to polish it out? Hell, I'm the builder, so, you know. I'm not going to open it quite yet. But, there's the kit. That's a really nice one, too. It's going to be a killer blade. Yeah, that's a really cool box art. So. So you can tell. Yeah, you're going to be able to see it. I got two of them. Oh boy. What else is this in here? I guess they send this with everything. Your feedback is provided as drives the work we do. We'd like to thank you for your word. It's on eBay. Toru Yamato, eBay store manager. That dude, I can't pronounce his name. Sorry, I'd slaughter it real badly. This is. I'm surprised that they don't shrink wrap these boxes. At least this one they don't shrink wrap. What? So, is that just standard on Ultimate kits? They just shrink wrap them, or if you order them directly from the factory, well, directly from Japan? I'm still liking that black one. Might have to get that one. I wonder if it comes with optional white stripes. That would be cool. And that white one. Just do it. 1, 2, 3, all three of them. Okay. Oh boy. Long video. Especially for an unboxing. That is a cool kit though. I will give them that. 73s.